Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can open up in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps and clicking on it. Then access the chosen one in the background. If you are using Trick's navigation, you can do that by tapping on the square button. Now you can click on the icon of your app at the top and select Pop-up Window or click on Pop-up Window at the bottom. Whatever you do, when you see this tiny one, click on Home button. You can move it around by holding it and dragging it. In order to resize it, tap on it and hold this icon at the top right or left corner, sometimes at the bottom corners, to resize it. If you wish to make this app only a little smaller, click on this icon with two arrows. To use it in full screen view, select this square one. You can even turn your app into a bubble by clicking on this icon with an arrow and a dot. Then access it by tapping on the bubble. To use your app overlay the other one, click on the other one and operate in both. If you wish to close it though, click on this X at the top right corner or turn it into a bubble and drag the bubble to remove section at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!